Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about NIO being a better investment than Tesla. That's right, NIO being a better investment than Tesla. Is NIO a better company than Tesla? I don't think so, but right now the market seems to want to keep pushing NIO stock higher and higher and higher. Right now, NIO is valued at $48 billion. And a lot of people are saying that NIO is going to hit $200, $300 in the next 5 years. And for the Tesla bulls, a lot of people are talking about Tesla hitting a $1 to $2 trillion company. $2 trillion is kind of out there because it's like Apple is already $2 trillion company. So, if Tesla is a $2 trillion company, what does that make Apple, right? Like, Tesla would have to make the same revenue and profits as, Apple in order to justify a $2 trillion company. But right now, it seems like big money just keeps wanting to push NIO stock higher and higher and higher. NIO is now almost valued as much as General Motors at $35.17. It's insane. And the market just just looking at it from a charting perspective, the market just keeps wanting to push NIO higher and higher and higher and higher. Every pullback, it's like pullback, boom. I bet tomorrow is probably going to be a small pullback, and then boom, back to like $38. Eventually, it's going to be 40. 50, 60, 70. I don't know what big money wants to do. They just big money just keeps wanting to push NIO stock. For me personally, I'm not going to be invested in NIO. Why? Because I feel like NIO is in a bubble, but that's just my opinion. And again, but the thing is, if big money wants to make a NIO $300 stock, China has a lot of money. There's a lot of rich people in China that I think is manipulating the stock price of NIO higher and higher. But let's say NIO in the next 5 years, they become profitable and they are a giant company globally. They are selling cars in the United States. They're selling cars in Europe, and they're just like they are a global giant in the future. And the market values it at $300+ billion. That would make the stock price roughly, almost $200 or $300, somewhere around there. While if Tesla is valued at $1 trillion, that would put the stock price at roughly $900. So Tesla would double your money. NIO could 5 to 10x your money in the future. So if Tesla was $1 trillion, NIO could possibly be $500 million, half a trillion. I mean, like maybe 300 to $500 billion. Like I said, if big money wants to push up NIO. If NIO ever becomes profitable, the stock price is probably going higher and higher. And that's just the reality of it. It makes no sense, but sometimes the market makes no sense. And right now it doesn't. $47 billion, that's insane. Very good. Like it's like the same example with very good food company Beyond. Which is the better investment right now? Is it Very or Beyond? I would say it's Very, because if Very was valued at $1 billion, that would be roughly $15 per share. While Beyond Meat, if it was valued at $20 billion, that's $300 per share. So you would essentially, like, Beyond Meat doubling would be more insane than Very Good Butchers doubling, right? Because Beyond Meat at $20 billion would be an insane market cap, while Very, if it went to $1 billion, if it goes to $1 billion, I don't know if the market will push it to $1 billion, but I'm thinking when the Florida facility is open, I think that there's a possibility that Very Good Food Company could be valued at $1 billion. I thought the market was going to pull back. I thought the market was going to pull back Very Good Food Company, but it just keeps going up and up and up. I think excuse me, I think eventually it's going to pull back. It has to. The RSI level is at 91. Eventually, I think there's going to be a correction. And then I think it's going to continue its ramp upwards. But hey, that is my opinion. Tomorrow is going to be very interesting because Biden right now is winning. According to this polling, Biden is leading by 52 while Trump is at 44. You know, Trump could pull off a miracle like last time when Hillary was leading. All of a sudden, Trump just took the lead and surpassed Hillary and became the president of the United States right at the very last day of the election. And that could happen again. But I don't think so. I don't think another miracle will happen for Trump again. My opinion only. We'll see what happens. Right now, Trump is losing the market. And I really think that Trump is going to try to take the market down with him. That's my opinion. Trump's made threats on the market saying that if Biden wins, the market will crash. So, you know, we'll see if that's going to happen. Ultimately, I am kind of scared and nervous and trying to be really careful of how I put my money into the market. The market right now is green, but I have this is my gut feeling, right? I think tomorrow is going to be a red day because there was 2 green days in a row. On top of that, the presidential, once Trump loses, which I think he will, who knows, we'll see. I think the market is going to go red tomorrow, and it's going to be a really ugly day tomorrow. But eventually, I think the market will bounce back. But hey, who knows? Who knows at the end of the day what Trump's going to do? But I think Trump's going to try to right now, if you think Biden's going to win, I would short oil. Because I think oil is going to take a big hit tomorrow. I think oil is going to take a big hit tomorrow. So, yeah, right now, Biden is winning. Live blog. Let's click on this link and let's see what happens. Live blog, vote. He has estimated that more than 100 million American votes in advance in either in person or by mail. So already 100 million people voted. The population of the United States is about 300 million, but then there's also kids, which probably take up 50 million. So there's probably another 150 million adults that can vote. So Trump still has room to pull a miracle. I'm just saying. Hyliion stock up today, 11.26%. Oh, nope, up 9. It's starting to pull back right now. The SPY is also starting to pull back right now. Ride is starting to pull back right now. Actually, Ride had a nice day there. Big bounce to 1663. Pulled back to $16.11. I think that if the market's red tomorrow, Ride will crash. But hey, that's just my opinion. Workhorse, same thing. Workhorse was a nice day today, up $2.15, 13.43%. Electromat is down right now, $7.05. GameStop is pulling back. It had a nice bounce today, but then it pulled back. So, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, up. Well, not really a nice bounce, but it's up. Arcimoto up 18 cents. Switchback Energy right now is up 7.84%. Blink is up 71 cents. What is Snap doing? Snap right now is, Snap looks like it's gonna crash. Like look at that. Look at that MACD. It looks like it's gonna head down. But we'll see. Twitter right now. Twitter is up 5.32%. Not too much to say about that. But Trump loses. I think Twitter could take a big hit. But hey, that's just my opinion. The SPY right now, I already talked about the SPY. And I already talked about Workhorse. Let's look at some of the semiconductors like AMD. AMD's up 1.74%. Xilinx is up 1.77%. Nvidia is up $12.97. Intel is probably also up today too, 1.38%. Beyond, I already talked about Beyond, but yeah. Anyways, True Eve right now is pulling back a little bit. Liberal Health Science is down a penny. Kira is down 25 cents. Planet 13 stock is up 8 cents. What else to look at? MedMan. I don't know why I have MedMan up. Oh, MedMan is doing decent today. Oh, it's up a penny. High Tide crashed, bounced back, sitting around 17 cents. ACB. Look at that. Big Money still loves ACB. CGC. Down 40 cents. APHA. Down 4 cents. FSR is down, up 22 cents. Yeah, that's all I really have. Tilray is probably down today, down 2 cents. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.